Warning: please read the warnings we make in the More Information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein. Goodbye to insomnia in 3 days thanks to this, naturally. Goodbye to the pills. Insomnia is a sleep disorder that is usually derived from a heavy lifestyle, loaded activities and situations of constant stress and worry. Today, many people suffer from this problem and, over time, it is more visible how their quality of life decreases. Are you part of the population that suffers from insomnia? If your answer is a yes, you must know that you have to treat that problem as soon as possible so that it does not affect your health. On this occasion, we want to share 2 excellent smoothies with properties that help to relax your body to better sleep. 1. Smooth 1 to combat insomnia. This green smoothie has a concentration of nutrients that help to relax the body and stimulate sleep to combat problems such as insomnia. Its properties improve sleep quality and also have a positive action to reduce problems of digestion, stress and high blood pressure. Ingredients: 500 grams of melon, 1 piece of ginger, the juice of a piece of cucumber, 2 lemons, 9 strawberries, a pear. How to prepare it? Wash and cut all ingredients. Add all ingredients in a blender. Shake for a few minutes and drink every day, after lunch. 2. Blending 2. This powerful shake has 2 foods that are considered as good allies to combat insomnia. Green peppers have important nutrients that help you fall asleep and eliminate feelings of anxiety. Tangerines, on the other hand, have amino acids that stimulate the production of serotonin, a hormone related to good mood and good sleep. Ingredients: 200 grams of green pepper, 200 grams of mandarin orange, 200 milliliters of water. How to prepare it? Wash and cut the ingredients. Bring all the ingredients to the blender, beat a few minutes and drink coolly.